In this video, I'll explain what is Facebook Open Graph or OG tag and how to add it to your website. Here we will cover how to add OG tags to the HTML. Open Graph tag is used to pull an image from your website and show it on Facebook when you share your website URL. This means that you can make an image to properly reflect your brand. I'll use to promote a free music pack from my website soundframe.org. We will add 5 basic tags to the website: title, description, image, URL, and type. You can see how it looks if I share a link in the messenger, for example. You can copy-paste these tags, modify them, and add them to your site. You can download them from my Google Drive, it's in the description. Some best practices: make title around 40 characters, description to be 2 to 4 sentences, and image dimension to be 1200 to 630 pixels. I'll open my home page in brackets code editor. To add Open Graph tags to your HTML website, navigate to the head section of your website and over here under other meta tags, paste your tags. The last step is to run the URL through Facebook debugger. This is because Facebook caches its shared pages, so if you don't refresh the cache, the thumbnail won't be corrected. You can create and add this Facebook app ID, but it's not that mandatory for sharing your posts. So the rule is when you change your thumbnail, make sure to run it in the Facebook debugger and it will be fine. And this is it, a quick video about how to create and add Facebook Open Graph tags to your website. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.